can come in 7 seconds. What he do? What he doing there? Oof! Okay, okay. Damn, so close yet so far. Damn. Okay. I should go back mid. Toki has bigger balls than 80% of chat with that. For doing what? For diving in like that? Maybe I'm definitely more confident in team fights than I am laning alone. That is definitely something I will give. I'm on my way. Can I ward it again? I don't know how to save you. Oh shit. Shit, shit, shit. The Nefiri! She bopped us all. Okay. Toki, for W into 80% Varus while half with no E. Wait, the E was up though. He was slowed by it previously. Here. Now I should do much better. Usually I need my 2-item buff, yeah? 2-item buff. I see a lot of people play with these league overlays where there's like a timer directly on all of the items. I'm like, considering it. Is that cheating? Probably is, okay. Tech, nah, sure. Baron should be up, right? Is that what it means? Not confident going